Hello friends, if you like to open a Demat account, you can make use of the link available in description. In this video, I am going to discuss completely about circuit filter and circuit breaker concept in share market. In 2008, we all know about Satyam fraud. Actually, promoter of Satyam company had prepared fake documents. Like Satyam company is running with good profit. Like that, he prepared fake documents. Next, he had transferred a huge fund to his own account. Like this, he had made many fraud in Satyam company. Before Satyam fraud news comes outside, the Satyam company's share price is around 550 rupees. One of the key person in the Satyam company had opened about Satyam fraud in press meet. That time only, the investors came to know about Satyam fraud. After this news, in next day itself, the Satyam company share price had dropped from rupees 550 to rupees 300. In a single day, Satyam share price had dropped 250 rupees. In next few days, Satyam share price had came to the floor level. Like this, if a company share price drops 250 rupees in a single day, then mostly retail investors get affected. Because institutional investors and high net worth investors, they will be more active in the market. They will know about this type of frauds in the initial stage itself. So, they will sell their shares when the share price is at 550 rupees and they will come out of the problem. But retail investors like us will get this type of news at the last only. So, we have to face the big loss. To avoid the huge loss for investors, government had introduced the concept of circuit filter and circuit breaker. First, we will see about circuit filter concept. Circuit filter means in a trading day, any company stocks cannot trade above the maximum limit and below the minimum limit which is fixed by the stock exchange. The maximum limit and minimum limit is fixed based on the previous day's closing price of the share. For example, let me assume that a company shares previous day closing price is rupees 100 and stock exchange had fixed plus or minus 10% circuit filter for this company share. Then plus 10% for 100 is 110, minus 10% for 100 is 90. That is 110 is known as upper circuit or upper filter and 90 is known as lower circuit or lower filter. According to this circuit filter concept, today this company share has to trade between rupees 110 to 90. It cannot trade more than that or less than that limit. When the market opens at 9:15 am, every company shares opening price will be decided by the stock exchange. In that, some of the company shares opening price itself may be in upper circuit or lower circuit. Suppose a company share opens at upper circuit. That means that company share had received so many buy orders in aftermarket order. That is, there is a big demand for that share in overnight and there are no sellers in the market. That is the meaning. Next, suppose a company share opens at lower circuit, then it shows that there are so many sellers in aftermarket order and there is no buyers in the market. When this type of occasions will happens means when there is a very big good news or very big bad news about any company shares comes out. That time only the company shares will open at upper circuit or lower circuit. If any company shares opens at upper circuit or lower circuit, then you have to do a better analysis and then invest in that. Circuit filters were decided between 2% to 20%. Commonly 10% circuit filter will be fixed for most of the company stocks. But if any big bad news like Satyam fraud, like that any big bad news comes against a company, then that time that company shares circuit filter will be immediately reduced to 5% by the stock exchange. Similarly, if any very big good news comes against a company, then for that company shares also circuit filter will be reduced to 5%. For an example, let me assume that a company shares previous day closing price is rupees 1000. Suppose against that company any big bad news comes like Satyam fraud, any bad news comes means then that company's investors everyone will immediately place sell orders, but there will be no buyers in that situation. So definitely in next trading day that company share will open at lower circuit. If I reduce 10% from 1000 rupees, then I will get 900 rupees. Next day that share will definitely open at 900 rupees, that is at lower circuit. Again in second day also the share will open at lower circuit. That is, if I reduce 10% from 900 rupees, I will get rupees 810. In second day that share will open at rupees 810. Like this, if that company shares drops every day by 10%, then it will be a big loss for the investors. So for avoiding this, in overnight NSE and BSE will reduce the circuit filter of that company share to 5%. Now in third day that company share will open at lower circuit. That is, if I reduce 5% from rupees 810, I will get 769 rupees 50 paise. That is, in third day that company share will open at 769 rupees 50 paise. We will see one more example. In next example, if any good news comes about a company, then what will happen we will see. You all may know this Ruchi Soya company. Because of huge loss in this company, previously this company share was traded at 2 rupees or 3 rupees. But recently Patanjali had undertaken this company. So there is a big demand in market for this share. That is, so many buyers for this share, but there is no seller in market. As on today, continuously 10th day, this Ruchi Soya company share was opening at upper circuit. When the good news comes about this company share, in next day itself, this company share's circuit filter is reduced to 5%. Recently in 2018, RBI had taken a legal action against Yes Bank promoter Rana Kapoor. Because of this news, in single day, Yes Bank share had crashed down from rupees 300 to rupees 200, almost 33% drop. Then you may think why the circuit filter is not applied for Yes Bank share. Answer is, for some company shares, circuit filter will not be applicable. The company shares which do the trading in futures and options, for that company shares alone, circuit filter will not be applicable. Yes Bank is doing trading in futures and options also. So, for Yes Bank, circuit filter will not be applicable. Just assume NSE and BSE as a shopping mall. In that shopping mall, in one shop we can buy and sell the company shares. That shop is known as cash segment. From the cash segment, we can buy and sell the company shares. Similarly, one more shop is futures and option segment. From this futures and option segment, we can buy and sell the derivatives. How company share is one of the financial product, similarly, derivatives is also a financial product. Like shares and derivatives, we can also buy debentures and mutual fund from other segments. This debentures and mutual fund also a financial product. If any company trade in both cash segment and futures and option segment, then for this company share, circuit filter will not be applicable. So, before investing, please note down these details also. Whether a company is trading in futures and option segment, you can easily find from Google. Not only for company shares, for Sensex and Nifty also circuit filter is applicable. Circuit filter for Sensex and Nifty will be decided by SEBI. Particularly in 2008, during US economic crisis, global market got affected. This affected Indian market also. During this time, when the market opens, immediately in next second, Sensex and Nifty got crashed 10%. In this type of situations, circuit breaker concept will be applied. Circuit breaker means in a single day if Sensex and Nifty crash 10%, then both NSE and BSE will stop the trading for certain period of time. That is called as circuit breaker. After that period of time, again market will open and starts trading. Now we are going to see how the circuit breaker concept will be applied on Sensex and Nifty. After the market opens, if Sensex and Nifty crashed 10% before 1 PM, then next 45 minutes market will be closed. After that 45 minutes, next 15 minutes pre-opening session will happen. That is, totally after 1 hour market will open again and starts the trading. Suppose that 10% crash happens between 1 PM to 2:30 PM. Then next 15 minutes market will be closed. After that 15 minutes, next 15 minutes pre-opening session will happen. That is, totally after 30 minutes market will open again. Suppose that 10% crash happens after 2:30 PM, then the market will not be closed. The trading will continue till 3:30 PM. In this situation, there is a chance that still Sensex and Nifty may drop additional 2% or 3% or 4% even. We have seen earlier how much time the market will be closed when the Sensex and Nifty crashes 10%. After that break also, again if there is additional 5% crash, then again the circuit breaker will be applied. Suppose if that additional 5% market crash happens before 1 p.m, then market will be closed for 1 hour 45 minutes and next 15 minutes pre-opening session will happen. That is, totally after 2 hours again market will open. Suppose if that additional 5% market crash happens between 1 p.m. to 2 p.m, then market will be closed for 45 minutes and next 15 minutes pre-opening session will happen. That is, totally after 1 hour again market will open. Suppose if that additional 5% drop happens after 2 p.m, then market will be closed for the remaining session. In next trading day only again the market will open. Actually, this situation happened in 2008. When market opened, in fraction of second 10% crashed. After 1 hour break, again market opened. Again 5% crashed. Then after 2 hours break, again market opened. There was additional 5% crash. That is totally 20% crash in a single day. At any time, if Sensex and Nifty crashed 20%, then that time itself market will be closed. In next trading day only again the market will open. Circuit breaker concept is not only for market crash. In 2009, market had even raised 10%, 15%, 20% in a single day. In this type of situation also, circuit breaker concept will be applied with same procedure. We have prepared totally 8 videos in the concept of basics of stock market and totally 10 videos in the concept of fundamental analysis. If you watch those videos continuously, you will get a complete idea about stock market. Remaining videos link is in description. In this video, if you have any doubt, please make a comment, I will reply.